Need reliable staff? StaffDirect can help. We understand the challenges of finding great people, and we're here to make it easy. From the welcoming face of your business, our professional receptionists are ready to make a great first impression. They're the key to a smooth and positive customer experience. Need some repairs or maintenance? Our skilled handymen are ready to tackle any job, big or small. From fixing leaks to general maintenance, we've got you covered. Keeping your space clean and comfortable, we provide reliable and trustworthy housekeepers for all your cleaning needs. A spotless environment makes all the difference. Looking to elevate your culinary experience? Our talented chefs can create mouth-watering meals your customers will love. Quality cuisine is what sets you apart. Whether you're in hospitality, construction, or another industry, finding the right staff with the right skills can be challenging and time-consuming. We've all been there, right? That's where StaffDirect comes in. We make finding skilled talent easy. We take the stress out of hiring so you can focus on your business. Our dedicated team will match you with the perfect candidates quickly and efficiently, saving you time and resources. We're experts in connecting great people with great opportunities. We specialize in warehouse and construction staff, providing experienced workers for those demanding roles, and hospitality and catering personnel, delivering top talent across all areas of the industry. Visit us at staffdirect.co.uk to find your gateway to skilled talent today. Let us help you build a fantastic team. That's staffdirect.co.uk.